This illustration deals with the disconnecting means being locked in the open position in accordance with 430.102A and B2. Now, notice that this disconnect is locked in the open position. It would not make any difference if the controller or the motor would be within sight under certain conditions. But this is a 600 volt or less supply. Notice the controller is within sight. So that's the relationship with the motor and the disconnect. Then notice the motor is inside also. But we can lock it in the open position so certain things can occur. For example, the motor may not be within sight if you can lock it in the open position and follow the rules of 430.102A along with the exceptions. But notice in the loop, the clearances of the disconnected means is 110.26A, A1, A2, and A3 in some conditions. It's marked in 110.22. The directory is 408.4 at the service panel or sub panel, whatever is supplying this branch circuit. The sizing is 430.110 to break load current. And if you wanted to use fuses to back up the overloads or supply overload protection and provide overload protection, then we could look at 430.55 and 430.57 of the code. But right now we're looking at page 37, defining inside, with inside of, and so forth. And we're on page 325 looking at 430.102B2 as well as 430.102A. And that's what this illustration 18-49A is illustrating.